Welcome to the Short Funk Podcast. I'm Tom Barbalet. Today I'm recording in a different room, so probably slightly different acoustics. I'm recording downstairs rather than my regular podcasting room. So behind the scenes, I normally record Short Funks typically on a Saturday or Sunday, maybe on a Wednesday evening, and I record 7 in a recording session. I think my record is 8 so far, but I typically don't use all that I record. Wide variety of things I wanted to update the listenership associated with Short Funk. The first is, if you wonder how I pick the topics, most of them are just off the top of my head. However, the Short Funk Facebook group, every week I put up a list of the previous week's topics and have people vote. And I use the voting on the topics as a means of selecting and prioritizing future topics, which means that if you're on Facebook and if you're not on the Short Funk podcast page, you're not actually actively influencing the topics that are picked, which could be a good thing, could be a bad thing, but it's just a regular kind of voting thing. Pick your favorite topic for the week, vote on it, and based on that, I choose the topics for the week following. Usually in quite esoteric lines. So, for example, the podcast associated with Wino Chemistry, which went back into certain aspects of my late teens, certain experiences that I had, that voted very highly, so I've decided to pick topics around that for, the next couple of weeks. And if you don't like topics around that, the way is to go on and vote, or at least leave commentary on the Short Funk Facebook page. So, once again, Facebook is the way to interact. We're very swiftly approaching Short Funk number 100. Obviously, there'll be more than 100 Short Funks recorded because of the bonus sessions. And I don't know what I'm going to do for Short Funk 100. I was thinking I might even do a video. And maybe throw a video in here. Again, if you don't like that idea, Short Funk Facebook page, these kind of things. But just as an homage to the fact that I started doing this because of a daily video blog, I thought that might be an interesting thing just to throw in there. Anyway, this has been a bonus Short Funk recording just to provide an update. Tom Barbalet in San Jose, signing out.